Need to unlock your Spectrum cable box parental controls? This step-by-step guide covers the primary methods for disabling them. First, ensure you have your 4-digit PIN ready. The default PIN is often 0000, but it may have been personalized. To unlock, navigate to the lock channel or feature using your remote and enter the PIN when prompted. If you've forgotten your PIN, use the Spectrum TV app or website. Log into your account, go to Settings, then Parental Controls, and select Reset Parental PIN. A verification code will be sent to your registered email or phone. Enter the code, then create a new PIN. You can also contact Spectrum Customer Service at 1-800-892-4357, but be prepared to verify your account information with your name, address, and the last 4 digits of your account number. As a last resort for older boxes, unplug the cable box for 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in and follow the on-screen prompts to re-enter your account credentials. Remember, this erases temporary settings but preserves the PIN if you haven't forgotten it. With Spectrum's integration of advanced AI-driven controls in 2024, the app offers seamless remote management for convenience. A common issue with Spectrum parental controls is entering the PIN incorrectly multiple times, which temporarily locks the system. Simply wait a few minutes and try again, entering the correct PIN carefully. If problems persist, ensure your Spectrum TV app is up to date, as outdated versions can cause glitches. For streaming devices like Roku or Fire TV, Spectrum's parental controls may not fully integrate with third-party apps, so set restrictions at the device level as well. Be proactive with PIN management by choosing a strong, unique code to prevent unauthorized access. Experts like Brian Krebs warn of vulnerabilities in default PINs. Regularly check your parental control settings to ensure they align with your preferences, as Spectrum's AI filtering adapts to viewing habits and may require adjustments. According to Spectrum's 2025 user survey, 40% of households with children enable parental controls, so you're not alone. For example, if the AI filter mistakenly blocks educational content, manually unlock it via the TV menu and provide feedback to Spectrum.